Hey guys and gals, Mike Cricket 113. Thank you, Ham Radio Outlet, for excellent service on the phone. Hey Harry, thank you very much for helping me out. Bought this LDG RU-9 UNUN or bound, rated for 200 watts. Because like I told you guys, I wanted to hook up my gutter, which I did as a test, to my radio, my gutter and downspout. So I figured, and then I made that other video saying this is what you needed. So that's what I got. So ham radio somewhere around here. Ham radio outlets. They're scattered across the U.S. It's $29.95 for a 9-to-1. And what's great about the 9-to-1, you could do a balanced. You could do a. This is great for end-fed wires at random lengths. They're not really random lengths, they're determined lengths, but I think the shortest is 35 feet, I believe. Or for me, I'm gonna hook it up to my gutter, so it's gonna be like, technically like that. And then if, we'll give that a try for a while, and if it doesn't pan out, then I always have this as a backup. The literature here is saying that the 9-to-1 easily allows you to easily match an end-fed long wire with your LDG automatic tuner, which I don't have. Connection is made by a 5-way twist on the binding post. I saw that. I could show you guys in a second here. And that you connect that to the red post, and that's your antenna. A ground terminal connection is available for an optional counterpoise or radial system. The RU-9-to-1 is intended to match a long wire antenna anywhere between 30 feet and 135 feet without a ground. So it's saying I really don't need it, but that's for a wire. It's also telling you to put a 1-to-1 choke in between the two, which I have, and I will do that like it's shown here. So I'll give that a try. But this is my hand, and that's the tuner. That says it's water resistant, which is a good thing. And you got your coaxial connection right there. And let me try to do this one-handed here. We'll try. This top screw here doesn't really come off all the way, but what it does have, 5 turns. See that little hole? See the light through there? I don't know if you can see that. 5 turns. You put your wire through there, turn it 5 times, and tighten it down. So that's pretty cool. So you don't lose that that little wire nut there, if you want to call it that. So you got your antenna. That's your standard antenna schematic drawing there, and that's your ground connection there, and that's the standard ground schematic symbol. So yeah, really cool, really cool. Can't wait to get it geared up. It's gonna put a little wire, a little ring terminal, and a sheet metal screw into the bottom of the downspout. Hook this in, hook it up, and then put a jumper here into the 1-to-1, and then the coax behind it. And I might, and more than likely, instead of putting a ground rod in, I'll try both. I'll put a ground rod in, and I think I'll put a radial down, a radial wire out, maybe like 15 feet or so. That's usually the lucky number. And we'll see from there. There was something in here I wanted to show you. This was the literature that came with it. Let's see here. Balance and UNUNs were inspired by the designs of Jerry Sevick, Whiskey 2, Fox Mike, India. He's a silent key, and his classic book, Transmission Line Transformers. So yeah, pretty cool. Thank you, Jerry. And 200 watt PEP from 1 to 30 megahertz, water resistant. Okay, not waterproof, that's resistance. But we could always put some silicone around that. But you gotta watch for heat disposition, or what's the word? Anyway, so yeah, weighs 6 ounces. Those are the DIMMs. And a little bit more information. They also talk to you about the other products that they have, the 1-to-1, the 4-to-1, 49-to-1. Yeah, pretty neat. Pretty neat. So, and a warranty. Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna try it out, and hopefully we'll get on 80 meter and I know it works on 80, 60, and 40. We'll see where else it works. But the downspout itself, you know, it's going to be, too much literature everywhere. It's going to be straight up. That's the downspout part. And then the horizontal is the whole length of the top part of the house. So I'm not sure the feet exactly, but it's pretty much an inverted L. So this is my Cricket 113, and this is the, I guess, unboxing video of the LDG RU-9 UNUN. Have a good one. 7-3. Talk to you later.